Hey, what's up guys? So we're on our way to the Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse premiere. Hyundai's sending me out to this. I'm in the Hyundai Ioniq 6, which is supposed to be in the movie, so it'll be cool to see. We're gonna have to go through 42 minutes of traffic, 42 minutes to go 21 miles because we're in beautiful LA. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, so we actually got in a little early before everyone else to check out kind of the whole experience. And look right there, they made a little sneaker for like the actual like sneaker that they made for the movie. And then they got the Ioniq 5 or Ioniq billboard that's in the movie, which is really cool. And then right there's the red carpet, so let's walk it. Let's check it out. Take a look at these little Spider-Mans on the floor. Oh, this is crazy. Alright guys, so we're now inside the theater. This is what it looks like. Take a step back for you guys. Oh, and it's crazy. Oh, the day after I watched the movie, just because it was super late last night, I was tired, drove back home, passed out. But I just wanted to recap on the movie. It was amazing. It was really good. Not going to spoil it or anything. And if you're a huge fan of Spider-Man, you're going to love this. There's so much for Spider-Man fans, which is great. There's a lot in there for just Marvel fans, which is awesome. It's hilarious, it's entertaining, it's well put together. The animations are just really cool if you're also just interested in that. So with that, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thank you guys for watching this vlog. I don't do much of these, so I do appreciate you guys tuning in. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.